sister Erica May Domingo, and we're about to sing Do You Want to Build a Snowman by Elsa and Anna of Frozen. Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I've never seen you anymore. Come out the door, it's like you've gone away. We used to be best buddies, and now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you want to build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman. Going on a cave. Do you want to build a snowman? Or ride a bike around the hall? I think this company is overdue. I started talking through the pictures on the wall. Hanging there, Joe. It gets a little lonely on the emptiness and watching the hours tick by. Elsa, please, I know you're in there. People ask you where you've been. You say no courage, and I'm trying to. I'm right here for you, just let me in. We only have each other, it's just you and me. What are we gonna do? Do you want to be a snowman? Bow. Wala.